Today I want to make jam cake. This is really delicious and easy to make. I mix with the cottage cheese. First we will make a base of the cake first. Add flour. Use a cold butter and you grate the butter. And then you add sugar. And you add baking powder. And you mix with your hand. Mix this until you get a crumble mixture. You see this? This is what we need, and you set aside. Now we want to make the filling. Add the cottage cheese and eggs and sugar, and you mix together with spatula until well combined. Pour 3/4 flour mixture into the prepared baking pan. I use 22 cm baking pan. Press with the bottom of the glass, or you can use spoon also. You press the butter until the side of the baking pan, and then you pour the strawberry jam into the baking pan and spread evenly. You can use also blueberry jam or raspberry jam or whatever jam you have at home for this recipe. Then you add the cheese mixture. And add the rest of the crumble flour on the top of the cheese. Preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius and you bake this for 45 until 50 minutes. After baking and the cake is cool, and because there is cheese inside, so I will keep in the fridge overnight. But before I keep, I will cover with plastic cling wrap. This is the next day. I will open the plastic and open the cake from the baking pan and will show you how it looks like inside. You see this really beautiful. It's hard on the side but soft on the top and inside. I will cut this now. You see the cheese and the strawberry jam inside? I can't wait to taste this. The cake is really delicious. You have to try this. The sweetness is mostly from the strawberry jam. Even I added cheese with the sugar, but not so sweet. And the cake, the base and the side also not sweet. Tastes really good. Thanks for watching. See you for the next recipe. Stay safe and take care. Bye.